Hello and welcome to Artsy Cupcake, where I share cupcakes, crafts, and creativity. Today I have 3 pom-pom crafts for spring decor, and they are so easy and super cute. So let's get started with the first one. This video is part of a collab with Heidi Sonboul and Lindsay Domer. I will link their channels below, and there will be a playlist with lots of spring decor inspiration, which I'll link to. If you're new to my channel, I recently moved from Texas to Colorado, so this is the new main living space that I'm going to be decorating. I have lots of decorating to do in my new home, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you'll see all the fun decorating and home decor videos that I have coming your way. I picked up this variety pack of pom-poms from Amazon for around $10, and that is all the money we're going to spend on these 3 pom-pom crafts. I'm going to use the pastel pom-poms for my 3 projects, but you could go with whatever color of pom-poms that you like to use for your spring decor. Spring is all about the flowers blooming and beautiful colors filling the landscape around us. So I incorporated some real live nature right here in my little DIY. I plucked this branch off a tree in the front yard and I placed it into an upside down bowl. Then I painted it white, and I used acrylic paint for that and a sponge brush. I wanted this simple and elegant, so I added just a few colorful pom-poms to this piece with some hot glue. Then I added some moss around the bottom with some hot glue also, and it stuck pretty easily to that paper bowl. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how I styled this on my dinette table. Pom-pom project number 2 is a cute yet simple little tassel decor for the fireplace mantle. I started by doubling up some white ribbon, and then I threaded a needle through very tightly. And when I pulled that needle through, it really pushed the edge of that ribbon up into the middle of the pom-pom. So because it did that, it really hid the edge of the ribbon nicely. I trimmed off the excess thread, and then you have one cute tassel done. I did this all by my lonesome self, but this would be a fun project to have a helper or friend come over and drink some hot cocoa in front of the fireplace and make your little pom-poms. For the next pom-pom project, we are going to make a colorful floral arrangement. I ended up switching out the moss in this jar for some green pom-poms. You just need some green straws and pom-poms and have yourself some glue gun fun. I wanted to create little round flowers, so I just glued until I was happy with the shape of each little flower. And they came out really cute. Okay, now let's see how these look on my dinette table. I tried a white tablecloth at first, but if you're familiar with my videos, I tend to like things really simple and elegant, and the tablecloth with the yellow placemat on top, I don't know, it just looked a little bit busy in my dinette area. So I placed the tree branch decor on a plate and added the little moss bunnies, and I think it came out really cute after I took that tablecloth off. And then here is my dinette table with the little Pom Pom Floral Arrangement. See how the pom-poms look even better than the moss on the inside of that jar? So colorful and cheerful, and they're just perfect for spring. And then we have my Pom Pom Tassel garland, which adds a touch of spring without overwhelming the whole room. If you're loving this spring decor, click right here to see how I decorated my dining room table last year in my Texas home. Please consider subscribing if you liked this video. It really helps my channel out. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a very happy day.